What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Rituals. If you're new to the channel, my channel is about car content, sneaker reviews, and money tips. So if you're into those things, this is the channel for you. Go ahead, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be able to know when I post a video. I greatly appreciate you guys' support. So today, I'm going to do a video on the Nike sneaker app and the releases that's coming out for the rest of this month. From today's date, which is May 19th, May 30th. So it's going to be six releases coming out. They're going to be very hot. We're going to do a little discussion. I'll show you guys what those releases are. Give you guys the actual retail price. Shoe up is the Nike Adapt Automax Pure Platinum. This shoe is going to retail for $400. It's going to be available on May 20th at 7 a.m. on the Nike Sneakers app. This shoe is very futuristic. It does the self-auto lacing. I think this shoe even connects with like the iPhone and Google Assistant, and you can like tell the shoe to like lace up tighter or whatnot, or loosen up. So this shoe is like really futuristic. It's a high price point, but fairly decent looking shoe. Looks like some Back to the Future type stuff. I mean, look at the colors. It has that gray scheme with the pink colors. Not my type of colorway, but very nice looking shoe. Once again, that shoe comes out on May 20th for $400. That's the Nike Adapt Automax Pure Platinum. All right, so let's see here. Next up will be the Nike Air Jordan 4 Purple Metallic. This shoe is going for $190. It's going to be available on May 20th on the Nike Sneakers app at 7 a.m. You see the purple accents on the Nike 4. Very clean looking shoe. It's pure white though. I mean straight white. So make sure you get some cleaning products to or that Crep Protect to protect those shoes if you plan on getting these, because these like they can get real dirty. But that purple on it looks very nice. Will I be going for this shoe? Not the shoe for me. I love the Jordan 4s, but a little too much white for me on that shoe. And I'm not big on purple. But hey, teach his own. Next up, May 21st release, the Nike Dunk Low Brazil. This shoe is retailing for $100. It will be available May 21st at 7 a.m. on the Nike Sneakers app. Yeah, this is definitely a tribute shoe to the country Brazil. Very beautiful colorway. I mean, that green and yellow is very pretty, and the leather like some great quality on that. This may be a shoe I may go for, whether to keep or possible resale value. This shoe actually should have some resale value. Like I said, very beautiful shoe. Comes out May 21st. Nike Dunk Low Brazil. Next up on the calendar for May 26th, this is a collaboration right here. The Nike Dunk Low Ben and Jerry collaboration. It's the Chunky Donkey. This shoe is retailing for $100 on May 26th at 7 a.m. And I try to put the notify me button. It tells you to download the app. It's because you can only do the notify me on the app. So put the app, Nike Sneaker app, go to the app store where you have Android or either Apple device and download that to your phone, and you can buy these shoes strictly from the phone. But these shoes, I mean, they look great. Very weird, but I mean, you can tell they put a lot of attention to detail on this shoe. Even the Nike symbol, like it's some melted ice cream. Look like the cow hide and the print. Very nice shoe. It's different, definitely different, but it's a nice shoe. That shoe should definitely have some resale value and should be super limited. All right, next up for May 27th, we had to take it back. These are the reveals. Nike Air Force One reveal. They retail for $110. These shoes will be available May 27th at 7 a.m. on the Nike SNKRS app. Once again, Nike SNKRS app tend to like do releases at 7 a.m. and this is I'm in Arizona, so this is Arizona time, but which is right now we're on Pacific Standard Time. We're basically mountain. Arizona time doesn't change in Arizona, by the way, but we're based on California time. But once you reveal the shoe, that's what the shoe would look like. I know that shoe would have a high resale value, but I'm just not into the reveals. But now, last but not least, is the Nike Air Jordan 13 in Flint Gray. Retailing for $190. They will be releasing May 30th at 7 a.m. Once again, these shoes also had a shock drop this past Sunday. Some people were lucky enough to get it. The Nike sneaker apps kind of went down last Sunday with so many people waiting to get this shoe. It was a shock drop, but it really wasn't much of a surprise. You go back to my previous videos, I kind of gave you guys a warning that they were going to do a shock drop on this shoe. But that's the Nike Air Jordan Flint Gray and for $190, available May 30th. And I know you guys, most of you guys were watching that documentary, Michael Jordan, The Last Dance. So that shoe should have some resale value. But those are the 6 releases for the rest of the month from May 20th through May 30th. So if you're interested in some pretty nice shoes here, nice selection we got here, you should definitely check out the Nike SNKRS app. Go ahead, download that app to your phone, whether it's an Apple phone or you have an Android device or whatnot. Go ahead and get that app. If any of those shoes catch your attention, hit the notify me section on the app and you'll get a text message or alert. Not a text message, you'll get an actual alert on your phone letting you know that those shoes are about to drop. Normally they give you a notification about 15 minutes before the drop happens. So, and that's the best way to get a hold of these shoes. I'm not sure if these are gonna be in retail stores, especially with COVID going on. Retail's a little different right now, so some of these shoes may be available in the retail stores at your location, wherever you guys live. So this thought I kind of switch things up. My wife gave me a great suggestion to kind of help you guys out with doing some of the releases that are coming up soon. This is for my sneakerheads. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please do. If you don't like it, double tap that thumbs down button a couple times if you don't like it. Yeah. That's for the haters. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button right now and turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos. And once again, thank you guys for your support. I got some more videos coming up this week, so stay tuned. And once again, appreciate it. In the meantime, if you like sneakers, I create a playlist for you guys. Hit that sneakers playlist section, go through and watch the other videos. If you're here for the car content, I have a playlist for that. It's called car content. Click that playlist and watch all those videos. If you're here for money tips, I have a section for that. It's called money tips playlist. Click that link and watch all the money videos. But like I said, I got some more videos coming up for you guys in the near future. So you guys have a great day. Stay blessed, stay prayed up, and once again, thank you guys for watching. Y'all have an awesome day. Peace.